everyone.
I'm Shasha.
And I'm Andly.
We are from TIC.
Tenam Innovation Center.
Later, we are going to teach you on how to use Arduino to control a Sprite.
Let's go.
I will teach you all how to use an LDR as analog input. First, take out the when Arduino Uno startup followed by the flavor. And then go to the extension and add the upload mode broadcast. After that, take out the upload mode message with value and put it inside the flavor. Go to the pin and take out the red analog pin and place it inside the value. This is the coding for the device. On Sprite, we do the same. First, take out the when click followed by the flavor. Go to the loops and take out the say hello. Put it inside the flavor. Then, add the upload mode broadcast again. Take out the upload mode message on the bottom one and place it inside the say hello. This is the coding for the Sprite. Now let us upload the coding. Connect your Maker Uno with your computer. After it connected, let us upload it. White for white. Then go to the Sprite and click Start. You can see the value is shown by the panda. When you close your LDR, the value will decrease, and when you open your flashlight, the value will start to increase. This means the resistance of the LDR is depending on the amount of light shining on it. Next, I will teach you all how to use an LDR to control the backdrop scene. First, we need to delete this point, and then go to the background and click Costume. After that, click the Add Drop. On here, we need to add two backdrops, that is daytime and nighttime. Now, I will teach you all how to do the coding. First, we need to take out when click followed by the forever. And then take out the if, then, and else, put it inside the forever. Go to the operator and take out the less than. Put it inside between the if and then, like this. Go to the upload mode broadcast and take out the upload mode message. Put it in the right side. And go to the loops. At here, take out the switch backdrop 2 and put it inside the if, then, and else, like this. Don't forget to change the backdrop. Lastly, type the value, that is 700. So this is the coding for the LDR. How it works? When we click the start, we will see the backdrop is changing. I will teach you all how to make the visual light meter. First, we need to change the mode switch on the bottom to live. Then, take out the when click followed by the forever. And we need to create a new variable. Go to the variable and click make a variable. Write A and click OK. Take out the set A and place it inside the forever. Go to the pin and take out the with analog pin. Place it inside the variable. Now go to the sprite and we need to delete the current sprite. Click Add and go to the pane. On here, we need to select the rectangle tools and draw a rectangle. Change the size to 80. Then we need to arrange the sprite. We name the sprite and write sprite 1. Now we need to create 9 more sprites to make a bar graph. Go to the sprite and duplicate it. We need to repeat this process until we have 10 sprites. On the 5th sprite, we need to change the color to orange. And on the 9th sprite, we need to change the color to red. Now we need to lay out the bar graph. After we done lay out the bar graph, now we will make the coding for the sprite. On the first sprite, let us take out the when click followed by the forever. And then take out if, then and else, put it inside the forever. Go to the operator and take out the greater than. Put it inside the if and then. Take out the a on the variable and place it inside the operator. Go to the logs and take out the show and hide. Place it inside the if, then and else, like this. Lastly, we need to change the value to 300. This is the code for the first sprite. We need to create 9 more similar code for each sprite. Click on the coding and duplicate it. Bring it to the second sprite. We can see on the second sprite the coding is copy. Go to the first sprite and delete the duplicate. On the second sprite, we just need to change the value to 350. Repeat this step until the last sprite, that is sprite 10. Don't forget to change the value for each sprite by add 50. After you finish, create the coding for each sprite with the different value. Now we can upload the coding. Go to the device and connect your micro-Uno with your computer. After it connected, and click the When Start. Cover the LDR or shine a light on it, and you can see how the display change. I will teach you all how to make a port game controller. Now, go to the file and open from your window. Select the visual file and open it. Wait for a while, and as you can see here, this is the coding for the racing game. When we play this game, we are controlling the car by pressing the right and left arrow on the keyboard. So, we need to change by pressing the keyboard to the potentiometer as a steering for the car. Go to the device and add the Arduino Uno. After that, we need to add the upload mode broadcast, and then take out the when Arduino Uno start up, followed by the forever. We need to take out the send upload mode message with value and put it inside the forever. Take out the read analog pin and put it inside the value. This is the coding for the device. Go to the sprite and you just need to focus on this coding. We need to delete the key left arrow and key right arrow and replace it by the operator. Take out the less than and greater than. Put it inside like this. And then go to the upload mode podcast, and we need to take out upload mode message and put it both inside. Don't forget to change the value by 512 like this. We also need to change the speed of the car. Change x by -4 and change x by 4, as you can see like this. So this is the coding for the car. Go to the device and connect your micro with your computer. After it connected, let us upload the coding. When we press the start, we can control the car by using the potentiometer.
all from us.
Hope you guys learned something from our session today.
Bye-bye.